Cebu's provincial candidates chose their baluarte or hometown to kick off today's first day of campaign period. Incumbent Cebu Governor Gwendolyn Garcia handpicked Barili as the venue of their opening salvo for their campaign, while former Secretary Ace Durano, who's also vying for the gubernatorial seat, chose Danao as a starting point of their election-related activities. Around 8 a.m., the candidates of Bacod Party List and Partido Pilipino Pagbabago or PPP gathered for a Thanksgiving Mass at the Santo Tomas de Villanueva Parish in Danao City. The blessings of local officials is said to be concurrent with the Annunciation of Mary, thus the blue theme of the parish, which is also the political color of the Durano-Davide tandem. A caravan to Liloan up to Bourbon was conducted following the Mass, and they will also be holding a Panagtagbo Grand Rally at 6 p.m. tonight at the Danao City Boardwalk. The heated political rivalry between both camps is indeed noticeable, as Durano, in an interview, stressed the issue about the deliberate removal of their campaign materials in several areas of Cebu. He said that they have the video footages to prove this, which even includes the plate numbers of the car used by the perpetrators.
We have video footages na nasakpan sa atong mga supporters na lain ng baklas. Nakuha ang plate number sa sakyanan. So, we are just continuing to gather evidence. Kaya kanawon lang kung sa'y dagan na hindi pa sila ulong. So, we are just opening our options. But for now, we're just gathering evidence against those na baklas. But on the other hand, magpasalamat na lang sa nila na ilang gibuhat ang ilang trabaho kaya nagsugod naman ng campaign period, kinahanglan naman sa namutang tanggol. So, salamat sa kayo.
While incumbent Vice Governor Junjun Davide, whose hometown is Argao, pledged to use his strength in Southern Cebu. They will go to southern municipalities to campaign for Durano and his proposed programs for the province. Incumbent Governor Gwendolyn Garcia, on the other hand, lashed at her opponents during Southern Cebu Caravan. She and her running mate Dr. Tess Hirosa questioned the competence of their opponents and pointed out that they haven't made significant projects to change the lives of Cebuanos. She highlighted that the 6 years under the past administration of then-Governor Davide was unremarkable and that Cebuanos must not choose that direction again. Amidst the heat of the provincial campaign, Garcia included light moments in their caravan, one of which was the awaited dance number of their guest and senatorial candidate Harry Roque. Garcia's caravan included the municipalities of Barili, Dumanhog, Ronda, Alcantara, Moalboal, Badian, Alegria, Malabuyok, and Hinatilan. This has been Queenie Haligon, My TV Cebu's intern.